up, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. All right, today we're gonna be doing something different. I already made it one time, and I made a cherry cream cheese pie. All right, people in my family are probably gonna kill me for this here, but I'm not doing cherry cream cheese pie. I'm doing blueberry cream cheese pie. I'm just changing up the filling. That's all I'm doing. All right. Later on, I'm also going to make a strawberry cream cheese pie. So let's get to baking this pie. Let's get this pie going here. Okay. The ingredients I'm using is one basically stick of Philadelphia cream cheese at room temperature. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start getting this mixed up. Turn it on low. Get it nice and creamy. Okay. I'm also going to be using 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm also going to be using one third cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Okay. I'm also using 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course 1 pie shot. And that's all it is. And for the filling, I have it in the refrigerator. I'm using the blueberry pie filling. Okay, so I gotta put this back in the refrigerator. So we're gonna keep the filling cold. And when you put the filling on the pie, it's gonna be when you serve it. All right. You want your pie to chill, or you can do it where that you put it in the refrigerator overnight. You let the pie set up, it get nice and firm. Then you add your filling to it. All right. You don't have to eat it then, but it does look pretty in the refrigerator. All right. Let me get this whipped up here. Get it nice and whipped. Well, it's whipping there. I'm going to get the condensed milk open here. Alright, I'm going to turn it down to low. And now I'm going to start incorporating my milk. Just let them mix up really nice. And you're going to do this for a couple of minutes, at least 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes, I mean, it's up to you. All right, I'm going to need get some kind of rice to rest. Milk out of it. I got something right here. I'll be using this. This pie takes 2 tubes to make, and it's very delicious. I have never got no complaints out of this pie. Okay. Let me get it nice and whipped up. turn it down a little bit. I'm going to add my lemon juice to it. Right. Speed going here. Now I'm going to add my vanilla extract. Get out the way. And let me get all whipped up here. Okay, you're going to mix until it's all combined. I'm going to do me a little scrape down here. You have to do a scrape down. Make sure you get all the cream cheese, because there's a lot of cream cheese on the side. And there's lumps. You don't want the lumps. You want this as smooth as possible. Right, get it back in, lock it down. Oh, very delicious, very delicious. You want to turn up the high. You want to beat this mix. You don't want no cream cheese lumps in it. I mean, with the lemon, oh, it just takes it over the top. And you want to mix this very well. And basically, the pie is done at this time. I mean, 5-10 minutes, give or take. There's no bacon involved. It's just put into the refrigerator overnight. Like you can double up, triple up, depending on how much of the mixing bowl you can use. And you can have your 3 pie shells and boom, knock it all out in one shot. But this is a very rich pie. Very, very rich. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it, I'm going to do another scrape. Yeah, she looks good already. All right. Now I'm going to do one more whip. Lock it down. And that is it. Now, when you make these pies, a little word of advice. You're going to have the filling. The filling's going to be too much for the pie. It's definitely going to be too much for the pie. So you don't want to overflow with the filling, all right? you want to be able to actually put the top on. All right. So here's the pie crust. It's a shortbread pie crust. Pie crust. All right. A little semi-sweet. Now, all I'm going to do. Make sure I get all the goodness out of here. All right. Now, just get it spread out. And this shout out goes to my nephew, Jason. He loves cherry cream cheese pie. But this is going to be blueberry cream cheese pie. Oh, yeah. And that's it all. That's all, folks. This is all it is to make this pie. Very simple to make. All right. And that is all. Give a little taste. Perfect. Now, the last thing to do is top it. I'm only going to pinch 4 corners. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, once again, this is going to be a blueberry cream cheese pie. You can make it out of strawberry cream cheese pie. You can make it out of cherry cream cheese pie. I mean, as long as you got the filling and you like the filling, you can make this pie. And that's how simple it is. This pie was, 5, 10, 15 minutes, give or take. All right. But if you wanted to make multiple pies, just double up, triple up on the recipe, and you can just keep kicking these pies out. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video, but I am going to put the photo up of the pie probably tomorrow. Take a picture of it to let you see what it actually looks like. All right. So I'll see y'all guys on the next video. Bye-bye.